homies, we came from serving drugs. Move a lot of bricks, that's how we do it at the Players Club. I'm pulled a two, you know we sippin' mud. Keep a lot of juice, that's how we do it at the Players Club. I was broke, came up from a dub. Count a lot of racks, that's how we do it at the Players Club. Ay, bitch. That's how we do it at the Players Club.
Me and my niggas, we tight like some bros. You ain't tight like a hoe. She my type, I'm a po. Pull her hair while I choke. Bitch, I'm clean like some soap and all white like the Pope. Take a sip, nigga, no. Hey, packing shit, water, don't get 5 bands off a boat. Need some bricks, get a quote. Hey, need some dick, get a soak. Need some beef, you get smoked. That's all facts, ain't no joke. Hey, we get freaky in the studio late night. I just sold up in the pack, it was a great night. Hella way, we the wave like a great white. She gon' bust it wide open, I got great pipe. I'm steady popping seals, now you know the deal. I don't need pussy niggas, only know the real. Banana clips on the yacht, get your top peeled. Good head on the bot, how the top feel.
Me and my homies, we came from serving drugs. Move a lot of bricks, that's how we do it at the Players Club. I'm pulled a two, you know we sippin' mud. Keep a lot of juice, that's how we do it at the Players Club.
Hey, who want smoke? Telling me face to face. Remember back in 11th grade, I dirted up my only cake. Get my round of applause in a couple months, I done made a way. On why niggas dropped the rollers and went to the Cartier. No, I'm a hood nigga, I mismatched designer with the James. Still post on the blog, eat a boss of churches before a stay. A mirrors in a Burberry trench coat and still hide the Drake. Back on gang on King Snake, still quick to bake your ass a cake. Might take this pussy, try and snap it up and go live with it. He try to buy it back, rob him again, my mind different. No KD gon' score for me, I gotta keep slaying.